Built in 2022, this modern home is packed with amenities and located in a prime spot in Williamson County.
Welcome to 1706 Sorrell Pk Drive in Spring Hill, Tennessee. Come with us, let's take a look inside.
As you come through the front door, you're invited into this open, cozy living space that features a gas fireplace, which is perfect for those relaxing evenings.
This kitchen is a chef's dream with quartz countertops, a spacious island, stainless steel appliances, a double oven, gas cooktop. It's the perfect mix of function and style.
The primary bedroom is located conveniently on the first floor, and it is a peaceful retreat offering both comfort and privacy.
Now, right off your primary bedroom, you come into your primary bath, which is upgraded with dual vanities, a soaking tub, a shower with dual shower heads, and a large primary closet with built-ins. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath, and a large bonus space, perfect for a home office, playroom, or entertainment space.
Step outside to your private backyard oasis that features a covered patio, privacy trees, and a newly put in fence, which is perfect for pets, kids, entertaining, or just unwinding in peace. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity.
If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private tour, all of our contact information is below.
Your dream home awaits.